Again, it's raining, guys. Raining. Every time, same story. I'm not sure I'll be able to record properly, but it's raining like anything over there. Crazy. That building is not at all visible properly. Guys, it's raining here, but over there it is not. It's raining, and that side it is not. Welcome to Mangalore. And see, those people are doing some reels. I'm actually going back home, and it's raining. I thought it will not be, but yeah. But it is raining, guys. I have to get my bike and go home. Left my bike here. The other place, there is our owner's car, so I had to keep it here in my second page. There it is.
The next day.
Guys, my brother gave me 2 extra subscribers. Thank you. Credit for him. Thank you.
Later that same evening.